it's time for your twice a year reminder to check your broken links. I'm going to make this a tutorial on your client portal as well. It's real easy to do. Go to here to brokenlinkcheck.com, type in your web address, click find broken links. It's going to ask you to do a security code. And I do all occurrences, and I'm going to do find broken links now. So the links that are going to appear here are not links that you need to redirect on your website, but these are things that you have linked to in the past that no longer work. For example, I've clearly linked to my teacher's notebook and EduSense site. Well, those closed, so those don't work. So I need to go in and take all of those out. And so if you want to see what it is, I'm going to select that. I actually know that's a home of a ukulele place. So the olaf360.info is apparently no longer working. So I need to go in and update that. And if I want to see what page it's on, then I can just go here and click URL. The server response just means like that website doesn't exist, that page doesn't exist. So in my case, that's on this page right there. And in this case, those links are probably on my disclosure page. So where can I purchase products? See, I need to go in and edit that. So I'm going to go in and edit that and just take out those links. And then basically I'm just going to keep running this until I don't have any more broken links. If you end up needing help with broken links, just reach out to me and I'll see what I can do to help.